In this video, we are taking Benny back down West Wales and spending the day at the beautiful Skomer Island. Skomer is just off the coast of Pembrokeshire and home to over 40,000 puffins, as well as many other birds during their migration.
Good morning!
Morning.
Someone's feeling a little bit under the weather today.
Yeah, got a bit of a sore throat.
So ignore him, he's not doing much today. You join us on our way to an exciting day, isn't it?
Yes.
We've been wanting to do this for a while now. You will know from the title of the video what we're doing. So we're on our way there now. And then we've got to park up, we've got to make our way to the centre, then down to the jetty and onto the boat. So we just collected our tickets from up there. We're on our way down to the jetty past the loos. You can see all their burrows on this hillside. So we're just stopping for lunch in the old farm buildings. We found this nice sheltered one because it's really windy.
Yeah, so it's blowing a gale out there, but it's a beautiful building.
Yeah, it's like all this beautiful old stone, it's lovely. And now, yeah, we're just gonna have some lunch, fuel up before we start trekking around and have a proper good look.
Thoughts on puffins?
They're a lot smaller than I expected. I don't know why, I thought they were like 2-3 times the size. He should have gone in his burrow. Skomer is also a really interesting place archaeologically. There are these Iron Age roundhouses that you can go and visit on the island. Do you know they actually have 42,513 of them here this year?
Oh, mate.
Come on. Derek. Oh, you said poo. Fair play. They're absolutely incredible. They're so docile as well, aren't they?
day. They get their fish or their leaves for their nest. I love them. They're so cool. I just love them.
Thank you so much for watching this video. As you can tell, we had a fantastic time and can't recommend visiting Skomer Island enough.
If you do plan on visiting, we recommend booking now to go during the summer months, as that is when the puffins migrate to the island. If you enjoyed this video, why not try out some of our travel series, and don't forget to like and subscribe.